Hi everyone, my name is Fernanda Avalos Romero. I am an Assignments and Customer Service Specialist for East Campus on-campus student housing here at CSUMB. My gender pronouns are she, her, and ella. I am super excited to be here with you all in this virtual space. I am here to do a quick tutorial on how to process any payment towards any housing fees that you may have due and need to pay to student housing and residential life. I am going to begin by sharing my screen with you all. I have a couple of the web pages ready to show you all the steps to take and to process the payment. So I'm going to begin by sharing my screen here. As you can see, one of the first pages that we will need to access is our CSUMB student dashboard. In this dashboard, we will be able to access our Oasis account. So you will need to make sure that you are logged in using your Otter ID and password in order for you to see these options show up for you as well in your student dashboard. So from these applications here, we will select our Oasis link. And what that will do is it will cause our Oasis homepage to open in a separate tab. I have already selected that for me, so I already have Oasis opened in a separate tab here. As you can see, this is my Oasis account, and I in my homepage I have a couple of things listed as well. So the only link that we will be accessing from our Oasis account is this link right here underneath finances that reads make a payment. So we will select make a payment, and this option will open a the next tab over, which let me move this over here, will be our CashNet account. So this is a test account here, and as you can see, I have a couple of options here on the menu. The option that we will need to select is called make a payment. So you can see make a payment here on the menu listed, and you can see make a payment at the corner of the screen as well. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we will be using our housing reservation prepayment as an example as to how to process any transaction. So what we're going to do is we're going to select that we want to pay our housing reservation prepayment. The first options are reservation payments. Those could apply to fall or spring semester or a special housing period like summer. We will see on the next window, it will break down the reservation prepayment as well for the specific term that we're wanting to pay it for. So I'm going to select the 150 here, and I'm going to select add to payment. So what this is doing is we are adding charges to the payment that we're looking to do. So let's say I have added my reservation prepayment, and I want to add my reservation application fee. So I want to add the application fee to the payments I want to make. And so now that I am ready to process these two transactions, I'm going to select pay now. And from here, it will give me a summary of the two charges that I have in my quote unquote checkout to process. So now that I have confirmed everything looks great on here, this is what I want to pay. I want to scroll down to the bottom, and I want to select continue to continue to process the payment. So on here, as you can see, we have a total of all the charges that I have to pay and any method payments available to me. So in this case, I have a test MasterCard on file, as this is a test account. But if you wanted to add a credit or debit card, a bank account, or even a savings plan, you can choose your preferred method of payment and add it to add it to your account accordingly. So we will continue here. So I will need to select a method of payment, and I'm going to hit continue. This is letting us know that there's going to be a service charge added to my transactions, and this is just in according to the method of payment I chose to use. You can read more in regards to that in the link provided here for terms and conditions for further information. I'm going to select that I acknowledge I have read the terms and conditions, and I'm ready to process my payment. So here I want to make sure that I have listed a email address, preferably your CSUMB email address, so that a receipt can be sent to you for your records. And once I verify that everything in regards to the payment and the transactions that I want to pay for are correct, then I can select pay, and it will let me know the amount that I am paying, including my transaction fee. And so now it is giving us a payment receipt number and where the a copy of the receipt was sent to. So as you can see, it's very simple to process a payment. You will just need to make sure that you are logged in, you have your preferred method of payment on file. If you don't, that you have that information readily accessible to you, and you want to make sure that you know what type of payment you are making and to what department you are making it. In this case, like I said, we use the application fee and the application prepayment for this upcoming academic year as an example, but these payments could be anything from move-out charges to just any charges that are due to student housing and residential life. I hope that this was very helpful to you, and I hope that if you have any questions or get stuck with any of this process, I hope that you feel comfortable reaching out to our department, and we will be able to assist you as best we can. Um, it was great being with you all in this virtual space, and I will see you on campus whenever it is safe to do so. Thank you so much for your time today, and have an amazing day.